Stephen Hawking discovered a terrifying law of physics that proves time travel is forbidden, and the universe will destroy anyone who tries it. For decades, sci-fi movies made us believe that traveling to the past was just an engineering problem. If we built a powerful enough engine, curved space-time enough, or ripped open a wormhole, we could step into yesterday. And honestly, according to Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, that isn't wrong. Einstein showed us that space and time are woven together into a flexible fabric. Heavy objects like black holes warp this fabric. If you warp it severely enough, you create a closed time-like curve, a literal pathway that loops back on itself in time. On paper, the math works. Equations allow you to walk out of a portal before you even step into it. So why are we swimming in time, travelers? Why hasn't a tourist from the year 3000 shown up to witness the construction of the pyramids or step in to change history? The answer isn't that we lack the fuel. The answer isn't that we haven't built a big enough machine. The answer is that the universe violently refuses to let you break cause and effect. Enter Stephen Hawking. In 1992, Hawking looked at the equations of general relativity and quantum mechanics, and he noticed a catastrophic design flaw in any potential time machine. He called his discovery the Chronology Protection Conjecture, and the math behind it is mind-bending. To understand how the universe stops time travel, you have to look at empty space. Space isn't empty. It's filled with quantum vacuum fluctuations, tiny virtual particles popping into and out of existence every fraction of a second. Normally, these virtual particles cancel each other out. They vanish into nothingness before they can do anything noticeable. But imagine what happens when you turn on a time machine. The moment a closed time-like curve forms, a path opens up that connects the present directly to the past. Radiation and virtual particles enter the entrance of the time machine, travel back a few seconds into the past, exit, and then re-enter the time machine alongside their past selves. Think about standing between two mirrors. You see infinite reflections stretching into the distance. Now imagine that instead of light reflecting harmlessly, every single reflection adds real, physical energy into the system. The energy enters the loop, doubles, triples, amplifies 1 billion times over, and loops back instantaneously. This creates a runaway feedback beam of pure quantum energy. In a fraction of a nanosecond, the energy density at the threshold of the time machine goes to infinity. The space-time around the entrance warps uncontrollably. Before you can even take a single step toward yesterday, the quantum feedback loop explodes. The time machine vaporizes itself, ripping apart the very wormhole or space-time shortcut you tried to use. The universe literally blows up the bridge before you can cross it. This isn't an engineering failure. It's a fundamental physical law. Hawking's math proved that quantum field theory automatically generates energy spikes whenever a closed time-like loop tries to form. Space-time protects itself. It enforces a universal firewall. Think about the grandfather paradox. What happens if you go back in time and prevent your grandparents from meeting? If you were never born, you couldn't travel back in time to stop them. But if you didn't stop them, you were born so you could travel back. It creates a broken logical loop that fractures reality. Physicists used to think that maybe the universe allows timeline splits or parallel worlds to solve this. But Hawking showed that the universe doesn't even let it get that far. Reality doesn't wait for you to cause a paradox. The moment energy starts looping backward, the laws of physics execute a hard reboot on that region of space. Hawking famously joked, "The laws of physics conspire to prevent time travel, thus keeping the universe safe for historians." But under the humor was a profound mathematical truth. Chronology is protected. Cause must always precede effect. The future cannot alter the past because the energy threshold required to connect 2 points in time causes an immediate, destructive feedback loop. Look at the cosmos. Black holes, neutron stars, cosmic strings, the most extreme phenomena in existence all obey this strict boundary. Even if advanced alien civilizations possess the energy of entire galaxies, The moment they align space-time into a temporal loop, quantum vacuum fluctuations turn that portal into a dead end. So next time you wonder if time travelers are living among us in secret, remember Stephen Hawking's equation. The universe isn't just passive space. It is an active mechanism with a built-in security system. The timeline is locked, causality is absolute, and reality will destroy anything that tries to rewrite history. If you could travel to any point in the future since going backward is mathematically impossible, where would you go first? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that follow button for more mind-bending physics. And remember, space-time is watching.